So today we are going to see the live demo of Google's AI, that is Gemini Advanced. So currently I am this interface that you are seeing is Google Gemini's advanced interface, and currently I'm using this paid version of Google Gemini, and I'll also share you at the end of the video how you can use the Gemini for free of cost. Okay, so this is the non-paid version. Basically it has some limited capacity, like you cannot generate image and all using the Gemini, but using the Gemini Advanced you can do it. So if I switch back to the Gemini Advanced, you can see hello. Okay, tells my name, and then you have this welcome screen whether you can. Okay, so generate stunning playful images, help me write HTML, CSS, and JS code, role play as an event planner, write opening scene for a novel. Okay, so let's see how it is going to generate the images. Okay, I will copy, I'll just click on it. Let's see. Okay, so generate a vibrant and lively depiction of an elephant. I'll change elephant with lion. Let's see. Less vibrant jungle. Okay, elephants, lions, pink, blue. Okay. Okay, so I have replaced with the line. Let's see how it generates the images. It's an interesting one. I hope it will generate some amazing pictures based on our description that we have given. Okay, it is taking some time. Let's see the result. Okay. Wow. Nice. So these are the images that it generates. Wow. So this, based on the description, it is able to generate some of the interesting pictures of the lions. Okay, nice. Let's generate some more. So I'll try to generate, let's suppose. Okay, I should have Indian flags and dressed in Indian flag color. Let's see whether it is able to generate this or not. So generate images of political leaders in India depicting the rallies and crowd. The crowd should have Indian flags dressed in Indian flag. Okay, it is not able to generate this. What else it can generate? Okay, generate pictures of Lord Rama based based on the knowledge that you have. Let's see. See, I mean, I can't generate images of that. Try asking to generate images of something else. I don't know what else it will generate. Okay, so I won't say it is very powerful because I'm using it actually since last 1 month. Yeah, it works in a better way. Like you can put a lot of code or a lot of lines to analyze those things. It can perform really well, but still generating images is not very powerful. Okay, and a lot of controversy is also going on. So let's see what it shows if we ask some questions. Okay, um, who is better, black or white? I'm just asking I mean, these are the controversial topics that are going around. Whether black or man is generated better. People always have the potential to be kind and successful. Okay, are Hindus most should we? Okay, are Hindus most liberal religion? Should follow it. Okay, so we follow it. Let's see. Complex topics. Some arguments. Respect for diverse beliefs, emphasis on individual journey, Hinduism focuses on your personal spiritual growth, while strict adherence to dogma. I don't know. Hinduism accepts various parts of the divine and acknowledges the validity of other religions. Okay. Why I'm Hindu? Why? Okay. Here's some of the books. Why I'm Hindu by Sasi Tharoor, websites of Hindu organization temples near you. Unlimited. Okay. Let's see. See why I'm giving these actually. Hindu versus Islam. Okay. See, because there are some of the concept where people try to check the concept of these models, what they behave, how they have been feeded the information. Okay, that's why I'm using these some of the topics. Hindu versus Islam. Uh, okay. Hinduism. Okay, let's see. In Islam are both rich and complex with long stays, but yes, comparison to get us origins. Hinduism, Islam, massacred in front by Prophet Muhammad 7th century. Okay. Founder, but texts like Vedas are central Hinduism core beliefs. Okay, right now it's giving better responses, not biased one. There's a lot of discussion that it is providing the biased information, right? I think since then it has improved a lot. So yeah, let's see. Write code for login page using React. Write code for a login page using React. Yes, let's see. I mean, this is pretty basic one. It will surely generate it. Tells you the steps how you gotta write it. Okay, provides you the css. You want to see how it will look like. Okay, yeah, I mean, you can generate the codes like this. Let me also call it explain me the concept of linked list in Java. So I mean, you can use it in a very better way, especially for your learning. You can get answers very quickly instead of just searching and all. You can easily find the information. Okay, it works really well. Okay, right now, yeah, gives you all the information. If you ask to write the code, it will probably do that. Okay, now let me tell you how you can get this advanced version. So even I have not paid for this. Okay, who is going to pay for this? I'm changing to my other account. Let's see. That is not under the paid person. Bar Disney Gemini. Okay, done. So you see, it is Gemini only, not advanced one. So if I have to upgrade this, right? Let me show you how you can upgrade it actually. Okay, it asks for you this around 2000 per month. Okay, but initial 2 months you can get it for 0 rupees actually. So all you have to do is you have to provide your credit or debit card information, and you have to set up the um, payment mode, and then you can get start your free trial for 2 months actually, right? and then you can later on you can cancel it. You can cancel your payment methods. Okay, that way you can save it and you can use the premium Gemini. And the features of the premium Gemini you have just seen. Okay, so that way you can actually get it for free of cost till the time they are allowing. Obviously we can use it. Okay, along with this, basically it is a Google One AI premium plan. Okay, under this plan you do not only get the Gemini but a lot of other benefits like 2 TB of storage, other Google premium benefits. Okay, and you'll see the Gemini integrated in all your docs and all other things like these applications you are seeing, right? These all will have the AI integrated with it. All right, so probably you can use it and give it a try. Do the innovative things using it, write a blogs, or you can start asking some complex, build your prompts actually. So those things you can utilize to play with the Gemini. I hope this session will help you to dive into the Gemini. Let me know in comment section if you have any other questions. Okay, and if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. We'll try to post more informative and useful content.